What's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing a sticker on my Ford F350 dually. This is the ReadyGunner Prime Power Sports dually. And I'm going to be installing the stickers on the ReadyGunner side. So it's a two-part sticker. There's a crosshairs with a long tail, and then there's just a big @ReadyGunner. So I've already cleaned it, prepped the surface. I got the sticker line here on the ground perfectly laid out. I got an X-Acto knife, a little blade, and a squeegee. Let's get into it. First thing I always say, clean your workspace. So I cleaned the truck already. Prep a couple of these so I can hang it up and we can make sure that we're doing it right. You know, like we do it like right there maybe. So I think this is supposed to kind of disappear. So let's just say that that's right for a second. Yeah, what do we think about that? And then hang tight. This is over top. It's all got to move to the left. I can see it now. You're right. I just gotta make sure that I have this all correctly laid out. Okay, so that's good to know. This thing's gotta go a little bit lower even. Oh yeah. Okay, that's it. Those are our measurements. These stickers can be a real pain in the butt sometimes, I'll be honest. We're gonna do a 1/2 reveal. So I'm gonna cut this straight down just like that. All right, let's go for it. 1/2 reveal. I'm gonna start by tearing away from this. Last thing you want is to pull it this way. Have it pull out of that seam. That's pretty bitchin', I'm not gonna lie. All right, now time for the back half. This right here, you can see this line. We're just gonna cut straight up from this line. Straight to the sticker. Jack, can let me do that? Jack, come grab this. Pull the sticker off a little bit. Move forward a little bit. Here, this way. Yep. Down. Forward. Down a little bit. You want to like stick it there. Slam it in. We can do it on this side. Right here, mine is perfectly on, that kind of sets down. Check that, RP. Oh, this is terrible. Open the door for me. And then close it. Dude, RP, come look at this. That was terrific. All right, that's all done for the night. We've worked way past dark, so we only have a couple more things left.